The tool I'm featuring today is Classroom Screen. All you need to do to get started is go to classroomscreen.com. There's no account, no sign up needed. Once you go to the web page, click the Launch button right here in the upper right hand corner. You'll be brought to a brand new screen. You can refresh for a brand new background as many times as you'd like. You can also choose your own background from different photos, a picture on your device. You can click random or you can do a webcam. If you click on any one of these icons at the bottom, these are all different widgets that you can display on your classroom screen. So you can upload any type of media. You can use some math tools. You can monitor the sound level in your classroom by adjusting for sensitivity either way, and set an alarm for when the noise gets too much in your classroom for your liking. You'll see down here there's also drawing tools. You can add text. You just heard the alarm go off, so I'm going to turn that off by clicking on that button. You can alert your students that it's time to work silently, to whisper, ask a neighbor, maybe ask 3 before me, or work together in pairs. This traffic symbol is a great tool if you want students to stop working, to pause, or to notify them that time is running out, or you want them to start or continue. There's timers and you can adjust those as needed. Any of these widgets are going to stay on your classroom screen until you click this X. In order to delete any of these widgets, just click on them and select the red X in the upper left-hand corner. All of these features are completely free to use. You can get rid of the widgets by clicking on the down arrow right on the widget toolbar. You'll notice I refresh my screen to get this cute new penguin picture. Up in the left-hand corner, if you click this home icon, you'll be brought to your recent screens where you can add a poll, add a different screen, or do a group maker. Classroomscreen.com is free. There's no account needed. It loads quickly. We do not currently have a privacy agreement with Classroom Screen, but that is absolutely not needed to use their features. There are many classroom management tools listed here, and I hope you found everything very useful.